First solution, turn on WhatsApp notification on iPhone. Go to your iPhone settings and tap on notifications. In this list, scroll down and find out WhatsApp. Tap on that. Make sure to allow notifications for WhatsApp. Also enable all of these options: lock screen notification alerts, notification centers and banners. Also enable sound and badges in here. And now you can tap on show previews and you can select always. Now go ahead and check your WhatsApp notification sounds working or not. And the second solution is disable silent mode and do not disturb mode. So if your iPhone is in silent mode, then you won't receive any notification sound from your WhatsApp. So all you have to need, turn off your silent mode and increase this ringer volume from here, or you can go to your iPhone settings and tap on sounds and haptics, and here you find ringtone and alert. So make sure to increase these ringtones and alert volume from here, and then go to your control center and turn off do not disturb mode and check your WhatsApp notification sounds working or not. And the next solution is change your ringtone and alerts. Go to your WhatsApp and tap on sounds and haptics. Tap on ringtone. Now select a different ringtone from this list for your WhatsApp call. And remember one thing, that if you change your ringtone, your iPhone default ringtone will also change. Then go back from here and then tap on text tone and select a different notification or text tone from this list. And now go ahead and check your WhatsApp notification sounds problem fixes or not. And the next solution is update the WhatsApp app. So go to your App Store, search for WhatsApp, and if you see any new update available, go ahead and update the WhatsApp app. And sometime updating your WhatsApp can fix this kind of glitches. And the next solution is restart your iPhone. So turn off your iPhone for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes turn your iPhone back on, and then check your WhatsApp notification sounds problem fixed or not. If you're still having the same error, all you have to need, uninstall the WhatsApp app. Before uninstall, make sure to take a backup of your WhatsApp. So uninstall the WhatsApp app completely, then reinstall it and check your notification sounds problem fixed or not.